What is up, YouTube peoples that are looking at my friggin' videos and stuff? So, got the handlebars. I haven't looked at them yet. I just cut the top, have not even pulled them out, but I know what they are just because this is the only box that is this size that I ordered for parts for the Rebel Bobber here. So, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out, and we're gonna start taking everything off, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed. So, stay tuned. Alright, so here are the bars. Not fucking smaller than I thought they'd be. Whatever, they're cheap. I got these off Amazon. They are Crater or something. Yeah, Crater, K-R-A-T-O-R is the brand, and then they sent me a little keychain deal, and it looks like 10% off from their website and stuff. So, yeah, right on. I'll put that on the key, I guess. So, now I am going to grab the camera here, start stripping everything off these bars so I can get the new ones on. Yeah, so if I come into any snag ups, I'll let you know. And then every once in a while, I'll turn the camera on, let you know my process, because that's how these fucking YouTube shits work. So, alright, step one here, you gotta get down to these bad lads. So literally, you just take a flathead, put it on there, and start kind of just wiggling around until they pop off. I don't plan on reusing them, so fuck them. And then I'm gonna pop them bad lads out, get it kind of loosened up, and then I'll strip everything. And then I should probably note that I got different grips coming in, so I'm probably not gonna put these ones back on. So it might look a little weird when we get it wrapped up, but you'll see. All right, so I got these all loosened up. They're all a 6 mil. They're just like finger tight now, so when I want to take them off, I can get them off. And then I took the pretty gay looking bar ends I had on there off with just a Phillips screwdriver. I just held this piece, like the actual thing of it, and then screwed the end so it wasn't just twisted inside the handlebar. There's a little bit of blue Loctite on there. So now I'm going to take an 8 mil, pop these off, slide this whole side off. Hopefully, well, there's probably, there's 2 screws on the bottom here, and slide all that bullshit out, and then pretty much do the same thing on the other side, and then take the bars off and slap the new bars on. All right, got the left side, clutch side all done off. I did cut the grip off because I'm not gonna be using them again. I threw it over there somewhere, or I'd show it to you. I just took a razor blade, cut it, because this thing for the choke there, that little prime needle thing, you had to get that slit off, or I would have just left the grips on there. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the throttle side now, and then go about putting these new bars on. Alright, actually got the front brake off, and there's 2 screws out of this plastic cover for all this stuff here, but you gotta take the throttle cable out of them grooves. So I'm just gonna grab needle nose pliers, lift it up, and then pull it out, and then I should be able to slide the whole actual throttle off. Alright, I have everything off. Literally could just pop the handlebars off, but these handlebars do not come pre-drilled, so I'm gonna have to drill a hole in them. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, there is, let me set these down. There is like a little screw in the bottom of all this bullshit. You see it down there? That's it right there. And it just locks in to the handlebar. Each side will have a hole on it, and they'll just hold everything in place. And I think some bikes actually will ground them out a little bit if there's any fucking shit going on in there. So what I'm gonna have to do is drill them out. I have no clue where to put it because these are shorter. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it goes from like flat to like more of like a gloss here. So I'm guessing that's where the grip will go. So I'm gonna slide the grip on, kind of just take a look at it, and then if it stops right there at that gloss spot, then I'm gonna just drill it like, because I really only need about 1/2 inch extra from where the grip stops to drill that hole. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it and then drill it on each side. And then hopefully she'll go back together. I'll let you know, I guess. All right, so all this side is on, good to go. Everything's tightened down. The clutch is on. Everything is how it should be. This side, like I said, I gotta wait, put it together because I got a new grip coming in. This side, the grip, I should just be able to fucking slide her on. And I actually think I might have a bar end mirror that came off the Grom when I bought it that I might put on there. Just so I have like it's a left side mirror. So I have one, I guess. That way cops can't really mess with me. I probably should have moved these in more when I drilled the holes, because that doesn't leave me with a whole lot of room to get the grips on, and I'm not positive how long the grips actually are. So this is it with just the throttle side one, which you gotta remember, all this white shit will be up inside there. And I got about, I don't know, finger length, it's ½ an inch, 3/4 of an inch or so. It might be alright. If not, I might not be able to get that mirror on, which I don't really give a shit, I guess. So it looks sweet once I get the other grips on. But yeah, this side's all good to go. This is what it looks like with the drag bars on. I think it looks pretty badass now. The whole bike's came a long ways. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked what you've seen in this video and it was helpful at all, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do. If you want to see everything else I did to this bike, go ahead and look back at all my other videos. And I got a couple budget bobber build videos. That's right when I first got it, when it was its original color. I had a lot more chrome on it. I blacked a lot of shit out. Go ahead and look back to all them videos if you want. And until next time, I'm outie. Oh, real quick before I end the video, I did put my bitch and sweet freaking free keychain on there. Just figured I'd throw that out there. So yeah, if you want to stay tuned on the rest of the build, subscribe, because there's gonna be more shit happening. Like I just said 2 seconds ago, I'm fucking outie, yo.